How to fix CapCut lag. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. If it's lagging, you can simply go to Settings on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on top right corner of your screen and search for Apps. You'll find Apps and Notification. Click on Apps and Notification. Then click on CapCut. Force stop the app, then go to Storage and Cache and clear cache. You can also clear storage if you want to log into your account again. If you don't want to, you can simply only clear cache and open the app, and then you're good to go. That's how you fix CapCut lag. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.